Outdoor cooking has never been more flavorful and convenient. In this guide, we showcase the best rated pellet grill, blending superior heat control, smoky flavor, and durable construction. Discover top options designed to elevate your grilling experience all year round. Kicking off our list is the Pit Boss 500 FB2 pellet grill, a true standout for anyone looking to combine craftsmanship, performance, and versatility in one outdoor cooking machine. Built with durable alloy steel and finished in a sleek matte black, this grill brings both ruggedness and style to your backyard. It offers 518 square inches of cooking space across a two-tiered surface, making it perfectly suited for preparing everything from large briskets to multiple dishes at once. Powered entirely by 100% all-natural hardwood pellets, it delivers that authentic smoky flavor enthusiasts crave, while its 5-pound hopper capacity keeps the fire fueled without constant refilling. The digital control board with an LCD screen allows you to set temperatures from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with precise 5-degree increments, ensuring consistent results every time you cook. For those who love high-heat searing, the signature flame broiler lever gives you direct access to open flame grilling, allowing temperatures to soar up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can perfectly char steaks or burgers with ease. Beyond grilling, the Pit Boss 500 FB2 also brings 8-in-1 cooking versatility, letting you smoke, bake, braise, roast, barbecue, char grill, and sear, all in one machine. It is also equipped with 2 meat probe ports and comes with 1 included probe, ensuring your meats are always cooked to perfection. With a sturdy bottom shelf for storing tools and accessories, this pellet grill truly balances convenience with unmatched power, making it one of the best rated pellet grills available today. Taking the second spot is the Traeger Woodridge Pro Pellet Grill, a premium choice for anyone who wants to bring authentic wood-fired cooking to their backyard. Known for setting the standard in pellet grilling, Traeger delivers rich, natural flavors without relying on gas or charcoal. The Woodridge Pro is built from durable alloy steel with a sleek black finish, weighing in at 174 pounds and offering a commanding presence on your patio. Its generous 970 square inch cooking area provides enough space to handle large gatherings with ease, fitting up to 7 chickens, 9 racks of ribs, or even 7 pork butts all at once. What truly sets this grill apart is its super smoke mode, which allows you to intensify smoky flavor at the push of a button, making it perfect for brisket, pulled pork, and other low and slow classics. Beyond flavor, the Woodridge Pro is equipped with smart technology for modern convenience. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor your cooking, track pellet levels, and even activate Keep Warm mode directly from the Traeger app, ensuring that your food is ready whenever you are. The digital pellet sensor helps maintain fuel awareness, while the folding side shelf and easy clean grease and ash keg simplify both preparation and cleanup. This model is also compatible with Traeger's PAL and modifier accessories, giving you endless customization options. Whether you're cooking for a weeknight dinner or hosting a holiday feast, the Traeger Woodridge Pro Pellet Grill combines advanced features, spacious capacity, and unmatched wood-fired flavor, securing its place as one of the best-rated pellet grills you can own. Next on our list is the grillz ZPG 702C Wood Pellet Grill, a highly reliable option that combines innovation, durability, and user-friendly design. Finished in an attractive bronze color and built with sturdy alloy steel, this grill is both tough and stylish, weighing 113 pounds and perfectly sized for backyard cooking, parties, or even tailgating. It offers an impressive 697 square inches of cooking space, giving you plenty of room to prepare everything from burgers and ribs to brisket and vegetables. The large 28-pound hopper ensures longer cooking sessions without constant refueling, making it ideal for smoking or slow cooking over many hours. A standout feature is the advanced PID 2.1 technology, with an LCD screen that automatically adjusts fuel and airflow for precise temperature control, even when external weather conditions fluctuate. This technology makes grilling more predictable and consistent, whether you are cooking low and slow or turning up the heat. The ZPG 702C also includes 2 meat probes and a large LCD screen, so you can monitor internal food temperatures with ease, eliminating the need to babysit the grill. Convenience is further enhanced with a viewing window that lets you check pellet levels without lifting the lid. And the hopper cleanout system makes switching pellet flavors fast and simple. Mobility is another highlight, with 2 rugged wheels designed to handle backyard terrain and 2 locking casters for stability when in use. At number 4, the grillz ZPG 450E pellet grill stands out as a compact yet powerful option for anyone who values versatility and precision in their outdoor cooking. With its sleek black and silver finish and stainless steel construction, this grill not only looks impressive, but is also built to last with excellent durability and corrosion resistance. Weighing 75 pounds, it is lighter than many larger models, making it easier to maneuver around the yard with the help of its rugged wheels. Despite its smaller frame, it offers a generous 459 square inch cooking area, which is more than enough for family meals or small gatherings. The 8-in-1 functionality makes this grill especially versatile, allowing you to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, barbecue, sear, and char all in one unit, providing endless ways to prepare your favorite dishes. Equipped with advanced PID 2.0 technology, it maintains precise temperature control between 180 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, with an accuracy of plus or minus 20 degrees. This means you can confidently cook both low and slow or hot and fast without constantly adjusting settings. The ZPG 450E also includes 2 meat probes and a clear LCD screen for easy monitoring, giving you full control over your cooking process. The visual hopper window lets you check pellet levels without interrupting the cooking, while the convenient hopper cleanout system makes swapping pellet flavors quick and effortless. Finishing our list is the grillz ZPG N700D6 pellet grill, a model that combines advanced technology, large cooking capacity, and thoughtful design to deliver a premium grilling experience. Built from durable alloy steel and finished in an attractive bronze color, this grill weighs 132 pounds and offers a commanding yet practical setup for any backyard. With an impressive 697 square inches of cooking space, it can easily handle up to 30 burgers, 6 racks of ribs, or 5 whole chickens, making it perfect for large family gatherings or entertaining friends. At its core is the upgraded PID 2.1 intelligent temperature control, which maintains precise cooking temperatures between 180 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The system automatically adjusts pellet fuel supply and airflow in real time, ensuring steady heat for consistent results whether you are smoking low and slow or cooking hot and fast. A large LCD screen paired with 2 included meat probes makes monitoring food effortless, while preset temperature controls allow you to let the grill handle the hard work. This 8-in-1 design also provides full cooking versatility, giving you the ability to smoke, sear, roast, bake, braise, barbecue in one unit, providing endless ways to prepare your favorite dishes.